History is shaped by visionaries who redefine what's possible. Carnegie, Rockefeller, Ford. Today, a new name joins their ranks. On December 21, 2025, Elon Musk became the first person ever to surpass a personal fortune of $700 billion. This isn't just about money, it's about relentless vision and the power of technology to reshape our world. Musk's net worth, now at $749 billion, is the result of tackling challenges others deemed impossible. From PayPal to Tesla to SpaceX, Musk has disrupted stagnant industries and set his sights on the future: sustainable energy, interplanetary travel, and advanced AI. His journey has been a roller coaster of triumphs and near failures, but his focus on bold innovation never wavered. This new financial peak is a direct reflection of that drive. The news has sparked global debate. Some see inspiration, others see a warning about concentrated wealth and power. Regardless, Musk now stands in a league of his own, with the capacity to shape human progress on an unprecedented scale. His fortune signals where global markets believe the future lies: electric vehicles, private spaceflight, AI, and neurotechnology. In this story, we'll explore the events that propelled Musk to this peak, the companies behind his empire, and the implications of one person holding such extraordinary resources. The catalyst for Musk's historic wealth surge wasn't a new product, but a judge's gavel. On December 20, 2025, the Delaware Supreme Court reinstated Musk's controversial 2018 Tesla pay package, previously voided by a lower court. This single legal decision unlocked a massive tranche of Tesla stock options, instantly adding $139 billion to Musk's net worth. The lower court had called the package unfathomable, questioning the board's independence. But the Supreme Court reversed course, calling the earlier judgment improper and fully vindicating Musk and Tesla's board. The impact was seismic. Musk's net worth leapt from the $600 billion range into uncharted territory. The ruling underscored how closely Musk's fortune is tied to Tesla's performance and the legal frameworks around executive compensation. For supporters, it was a celebration, a reward for delivering extraordinary results and transforming Tesla into a global powerhouse. The court's decision affirmed that ambitious, performance-based incentives can drive shareholder value when a visionary leader is at the helm. This legal victory was a defining moment in Musk's financial ascent. To grasp the court's decision, we need to rewind to 2018. Tesla was struggling, and the board proposed a radical, all-or-nothing compensation plan for Musk. No salary, just 12 tranches of stock options tied to ambitious milestones. The plan's initial value, $56 billion, was unprecedented, requiring Tesla's market cap to soar from under $60 billion to $650 billion, plus aggressive revenue and profit targets. Critics scoffed, but shareholders approved, betting only Musk could deliver. Against all odds, Musk hit every milestone years ahead of schedule, propelling Tesla's value past $1 trillion. Each target met vested more options, solidifying Musk's stake. Success brought legal challenges. Some shareholders argued the package was excessive and the approval process flawed. In 2024, a lower court voided the package, citing board independence concerns and stripping Musk of vested options. The appeal to the Delaware Supreme Court became about more than money. It was about validating the original shareholder bargain. The final reinstatement ended a 7-year saga, restoring Musk's options and rewriting the rules of executive compensation. This victory cemented Musk's status as the architect of Tesla's meteoric rise. The saga redefined what's possible for CEO incentives. Even before the court ruling, Tesla's shareholders were preparing for the next chapter. In November 2025, they voted on a new compensation package for Musk, potentially worth $1 trillion, the largest in corporate history. Musk argued he needed a 25% stake to steer Tesla's future in AI and robotics without interference. The new plan, like the last, was all or nothing, tied to even more ambitious targets. The vote was a referendum on Musk's vision. Could Tesla become a leader in AI, robotics, and autonomous systems? Shareholders answered with a resounding yes, signaling deep trust in Musk's ability to turn science fiction into reality. Critics balked at the numbers, but supporters saw it as the ultimate pay-for-performance deal. Musk only wins if he creates staggering value for everyone else. The approval of this plan, combined with the reinstated 2018 package, shows a powerful alignment between Musk and his investors. Tesla's future now hinges on more than cars. It's about intelligent systems that could change the world. Musk's $749 billion fortune puts him in a category all his own. The world's second richest, Larry Page, trails by nearly $500 billion, a gap larger than most billionaires' entire fortunes. For years, the billionaire leaderboard featured names like Bezos, Arnault, and Gates, each peaking around 100 to 200 billion. Musk has now lapped them several times over. His wealth isn't just bigger, it's an order of magnitude greater than what was once thought possible. Even compared to historical titans like Rockefeller and Carnegie, Musk's net worth rivals, or exceeds theirs, depending on how you calculate. What sets Musk apart is the source of his wealth: shares in high-growth, future-focused companies, not oil or steel. This makes his fortune volatile, but also capable of explosive growth. Musk's personal wealth now rivals the GDP of countries like Switzerland or Argentina. He wields influence and resources unmatched by any individual, and perhaps even by many governments. In the world of wealth, Musk is in a league of his own. Tesla is just one pillar of Musk's vast empire. SpaceX has revolutionized space travel with reusable rockets, dominating satellite launches and operating Starlink, which brings internet to remote regions. Rumors of a SpaceX IPO only add to Musk's valuation. Neuralink is developing brain-computer interfaces, aiming to help those with paralysis and, long-term, to augment human cognition alongside AI. The Boring Company tackles urban congestion with underground tunnels, while X, formerly Twitter, is Musk's bold attempt to create an everything app. XAI, his latest venture, seeks to build AI that's not just powerful, but curious and truth-seeking. Each company reflects Musk's approach. Identify a grand challenge, apply first principles thinking, and engineer a solution. While Tesla is the financial cornerstone, the combined potential of these ventures cements Musk's status as a builder of the future. Together, they form a web of innovation pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Musk's astronomical wealth is powered by investor optimism. Buying Tesla stock or investing in his ventures is buying into Musk's vision of the future. His track record, turning Tesla into the world's most valuable automaker, making reusable rockets a reality, fuels belief that he'll keep defying expectations. Investors now see Tesla as an AI and robotics company, not just a car maker. The real value lies in Tesla's data and self-driving algorithms, with the potential to license software and launch the Optimus humanoid robot. SpaceX's Starlink is seen as a future cash cow, and a potential IPO could add billions more to Musk's net worth. The excitement is about more than profits. It's about being part of humanity's expansion into space. Musk's public persona as a hands-on visionary founder has built a loyal following among investors. This faith in Musk is a powerful asset, fueling the cycle of optimism that drives his company's valuations. As long as Musk leads, investors believe extraordinary returns and world-changing innovation are possible. A $700 billion fortune brings scrutiny and debate. Some hail Musk's success as the triumph of innovation. Others worry about so much power in one person's hands. Legal challenges to his pay packages highlight concerns about fairness and corporate governance. Critics argue that no executive should be rewarded on a scale that dwarfs entire economies. Musk's influence extends beyond business. His control of X, Twitter, has reshaped global communication and sparked debates about free speech and digital power. His ventures intersect with geopolitics, from Starlink's role in conflicts to Tesla's presence in China. Musk's proximity to political power and global interests raises questions about accountability. As his wealth and influence grow, so do the questions about how he wields them, and who, if anyone, can hold him to account. The debate over Musk's power is only intensifying. Musk's $700 billion milestone is a defining moment, built on audacious bets, relentless engineering, and a vision that's captivated the world. The Delaware Supreme Court's ruling was the trigger, but the real story is years of turning science fiction into reality. Musk hasn't just built companies, he's created ecosystems of innovation shaping the 21st century. His wealth reflects immense market confidence in his ability to keep delivering breakthroughs. The approval of a trillion-dollar pay package shows investors want Musk at the helm, betting on even greater value creation. But this concentration of wealth forces us to confront tough questions about fairness, governance, and the role of billionaires. Musk's actions are now scrutinized globally, his influence rivaling that of world leaders. The story of his fortune is still being written, his ambitions stretch to Mars, AI, and beyond. Whether seen as visionary or controversial, Musk's impact is undeniable. The $700 billion figure is more than a number, it's a symbol of a new era and a focal point for the debates shaping our future.